Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is not skyscraper analysis. This is Blockspring console, and it took too long for me to figure this out. But tech guys over at Blockspring actually gave me a hint as to how to do this. Do what, you ask? How to access the advanced, access the formula for Blockspring. Very important. So right down here, show advanced insert methods. So you go down to the bottom and insert as a formula. If you insert it as a formula, it says you cannot be scheduled to run automatically. Okay, I'm going to insert as a formula. And there is the magic right there. So Google search flights to origin, to destination, to date. The parameters, or rather, what's really missing here is that um, there's no notes on what these parameters are. For example, why is there blank space here? Nor is there's no help text. But let's see if we can get it to work. So to origin, I think that's probably departure, and this is arrival. So let's go ahead and change some of these. To origin, we'll say SVO, and then we'll go to MLE, and then to date. Well, there should be arrival date and a departure date. I don't know why there's only one date. And the date format is not specified here. The date format, let's see, how is the date format supposed to look? Message to date, it doesn't show the to date formula, so we're going to have to just play with that, which is unfortunate. Oh, let's make it easy. 0909 2016. That might work. No, it didn't like that. So date format, let's try slashes. Didn't like that either. I doubt it's periods, but we can try periods. Yeah, all right. So that's unfortunate as well. The idea of Blockspring console is really intriguing, but I think there's definitely some. Oh, okay, month slash. Okay, that's what I had. Slash month, date, year. No. Okay, and I know SVO is an airport code, and MLE is airport code for Maldives. Yeah, code is MLE. So, well, darn. It doesn't work. Let's try doing it again. Create a new sheet, and then we'll call this one. Actually, go back just to clear out whatever noise might be in. Okay, so I'm just going to go with the default here. And And I'm not going to go with any optional parameters. I'm just going to insert it and see what happens. Well, okay, so I got a new error, even though I was using the default, and it still thinks I'm in the skyscraper analysis. Okay, so let's go with an entirely new sheet. I want Blocktrain. I really want Blockspring to work, but it's just not working. Okay, add-ons, Blockspring, open. TikTok, sign in. Okay, now I'm signed in. I'm going to add a block. I'm going to do flights, search. All right, again, I'm going to just use default. Maybe that's why it didn't work last time, because the defaults were not loaded as defaults. 09, 09, 2016. And I'm just going to go with default. Should work. It's running. Okay. All right, so theoretically, these are all of the parameters right here. So I could theoretically put in everything that I need to theoretically, all of these fields are the same. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, actually, I don't need all of these fields. I would need 2 duration. No. A cabin. All right, so this is the results. This is not the formula. This is what Google gives back. What's interesting, okay, so SFO to JFK. ETL, that's not going to work, is it? Run. If I add information here, it's not going to work. I'm sure of that. Okay, so let's try a new sheet. And I'm going to add block. I have to redo this, so we'll call this flights. Search. I'm going to insert, show advanced insert methods. Okay, so create new sheet, then insert. Creates a new worksheet showing the blocks parameters and then runs the blocks and inserts the results. Users must see the format needed for blocks parameters. Insert as a formula. Okay, so let's try this again. SFO, ATL, and I'm almost out of time here. So 09/09 2016. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I got 12 seconds. Didn't work. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy computing.